Alright, what's up my little kittens? AlCat back. That's my new thing.
Is that what you were laughing?
Alright, so I know that I didn't post a video today. I didn't post a video today, and I'm sorry. Yesterday, I had a slight change in all my plans. I had to take my sisters to like practices and stuff, and it was like an hour away in Romeoville. I didn't get a lot of clips in because I was driving most of the time, and I'm not really comfortable holding the camera and driving at the same time. It's kind of scary. I'm not that good of a driver as it is, so I'm gonna hang out with friends today like I do every day. And I don't know, this is actually gonna be a good video because yesterday's video, today's video, I didn't post today's video, but the footage from yesterday to make the video wasn't good. There's something that I want to show you guys, so I'll be right back. Check this out. I just farted in my video. Do you remember when I said I was going to hit 100 subscribers by the end of this week? Well, 96. We're almost at a freaking 100. That's so awesome. I'm pretty stoked. We're definitely hitting 100. Good job, all my kittens. Glad y'all supported me. Freeze! We out here. Think we're gonna go after we get this car towed. We're gonna go fly more drones, I think.
Why is your car getting towed, Dominic?
Because it's stupid.
Alright, what's your name?
Mean Nasty Guy.
Alright, shout out to Mean Nasty Guy for towing this car.
He got like reckless with me. He was like, you don't know what I'm doing? You know, I'm here to tow a car. I'm looking for you. So I was like,
The truck has officially been towed.
it's a car.
Tow truck guy is hitting on my friend's mom. It's really weird. I don't like that. It's a real pain in the ass to set up some cool shots. This is some risky business. We're done drone flying for today. I'm pretty sure Tom got some cool shots.
True. The filter went away and all of it. Dead.
Gotta be put in the video now.
It's the vlog camera.
Oh.
Where's that one?
You're in Alex's vlog.
Oh, he's not gonna.
Is it alright if I come